Now you can bring your own hedgehog to life. Do you know why a rabbit moves differently than a hedgehog? Today, we're going to make hedgehogs and bring them to life.
You know the drill. First, we draw a picture of our cute little hedgehog.
Make it a bit mischievous and smart-looking eyes and a playful face. Then we add the spikes around its body using short, sharp lines.
Okay, now we have to simplify it. Its body,
Now let's draw the ears. Two simple but expressive ears.
eyes, snout, nose, mouth, and its spikes. Spikes are a square of Play-Doh that will turn into spikes. Let's go build it. First, we get the pink Play-Doh. We'll roll it into a ball and then roll it like a snake. Okay, now we'll flatten it a little. This is its body. Now it's time to take a little pink ball. Okay, roll it into a ball. This is its snout. It's so easy, right?
Two pink clay pieces for the ears. Even the movement style starts changing from the ears.
And I am going to use this pointy tool to make two little holes. Then I'm going to take a bit of black and make two little balls for the eyes. Now it's time for its spikes. We'll need some brown Play-Doh. We'll roll it into a ball. Now we'll flatten it with our finger to make it like a square. Now, just like me, use a tool to make cuts in the Play-Doh. Now, use your finger to sharpen the tips like me. Now stick them to the hedgehog's bod. It's so cute! Okay, how was it so far? Let me see your hedgehogs. Ow, yours is so cute, and yours too. And someone's is so good. Great job, my little animators. You are so smart. Okay, let's go for a cool, magical part. When hedgehogs want to run away, they roll into a ball so they can escape easily. You saw how we made the spikes? Now we'll do the same thing again. First, we take a ball of brown Play-Doh. Now, with your finger, make it into a circle. Okay, now with your tool, cut into the Play-Doh just like I do. Now, just like me, sharpen the tips. Now it's time to animate, but first, watch me. The hedgehog walks in little steps, like this. Unlike the rabbit who jumps. So you see, like this. The hedgehog walks like this, and the rabbit like that. Great. Okay, now open the stop motion app, press the plus sign. Now press the camera icon. And pull this lever down. Take 2 pictures. Now, just like I taught you, move it little by little so it walks easily, and take a picture. Here I want it to turn into a ball and escape. We'll put the ball in the hedgehog's place and take a picture. Now we'll move it again and take pictures until it leaves the screen. See how cute it is? See how easily you built and animated a hedgehog? Now, if you like this video, like it and subscribe to my channel. Also, hit that little bell icon so you don't miss the next video. Love you so much, my talented and smart animators. Goodbye.